Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. Let's go to a car show. Looks like we got some more cars showing up. 1, 2, 3 in a row here. Got quite a few here already this morning. Imagine we'll have as many, if not more, than last year, so this should be a great cruise. Alright, so we're out here at the Eagles Healing Nest in Sauk Centre. Let's take a look at some of the cars that made it. If they start playing music in the background, or if it gets too noisy, I'll throw some music over the top of this. Otherwise, let's enjoy looking at the cars.
I had it. It's through a code. I didn't have it very long. but it threw a quote on me, and I called them up and we picked it up and took it down there. I said, there's no hurry, you know, because they had a lot of farm stuff going on.
Yeah.
And they said, they'll just look at it here and there when they get at it.
I thought I heard some whining. The old blower going.
Get up to say nothing. And every once in a while, when we start it up and bring it in, they could pop up on the show. Sometimes they can do it.
Kind of give an overview here. Quite a few more cars than last year. Awesome. Appreciate everybody coming out. One more just rolled in. Beautiful 57 Chevrolet. Big old Bonneville boat rolling right behind him.
All right, let's get going here. This is, we're going to do the awards first. This is for the People's Choice, and that is Perry and Cindy Grill of Sauk Rapids, a 1927 International tow truck.
Just kidding, no.
All right.
Your tow truck won the People's Choice. Congratulations.
I'm like, I think they're good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Stick around for a picture afterwards. Right? Thank you.
Okay, next up is the Warrior Award. And what that is, it's all the members, residents here from Eagles Healing Nest. We have them pick their basically best of show. And that is Leroy Albertson of Sauk Centre, a 1934 Olds.
Woo!
Congratulations, nice car.
Yeah.
Brian, we moved out of the way to let you have the sunshine.
All right, next up is the longest distance award. And that trophy in Melanie's hands was made by Andy Selly of Two Rivers Auto and Diesel in Hastings, Minnesota, one of our very, very, very good sponsors. Thank you very much, Andy. The winner of the longest distance award is from Austin, Minnesota. It's Michelle Starr, the 1972 K5 Blazer.
There she is.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
All right, this is our best in show, and this is picked by us, founding members of Mid-Minnesota Motorheads, and that is Merle and Nikki Gallant of Brainerd, 1958 Ford Ranchero. Along with your plaque, we have a stool that was given to us by Auto Value in Long Prairie, Minnesota. Another great sponsor of ours.
Thank you. Nice car. Thanks.
All right, next up is the Patina Award. This is one that is special to our club. We always feel that a car that was neglected or pulled out of a barn, or somebody doesn't really have, any special interest in getting it fixed, making it look pretty, should get something too. This year, that goes to Kevin. I'm going to struggle with this last name, sorry. I'm going to say Rifles of Long Prairie, Kaiser Jeep, Deuce and a Half, 1967. I hope I didn't butcher your name and last name too bad.
Right, pretty close.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
This last award is called the King of the Cruise, and it's in remembrance of a very good friend of mine, Rodney Lanners. Most of you probably know the story. He built two of my cars. His wife, Marilyn, who's here, she picks this award. She won the very first one we gave out. Should have been called the Queen of the Cruise that year, but at any rate, the winner this year is Rocky Thompson of Sauk Rapids, 1938 Chevy Coupe Rat Rod. There he is, your King of the Cruise. Yeah. Hats off.
That's awesome.
I love your car.
Thank you so much.
All right, with that concludes the awards part of it, our show. So right now we are finishing up with the silent auction. So if you bid on something, you want to come up and check see if you got that. You do that now. Before you do that, I just want to put out special thanks to everybody for coming, being a part of this, supporting us, supporting our vets. This is the greatest nation on planet Earth. Always has, always will be. Give yourself a round of applause. Thanks again. We do have one more sponsored show that we're doing this year, and that's September 3rd in Grey Eagle, Minnesota. Thanks again for coming. And we do have our Car Show Bingo Award winner too yet. We do have 5 door prize numbers that are still available yet. So if you haven't picked or chose or checked your door prize numbers, please do that. Okay. Car Show Bingo. If you're not familiar with that, it's kind of something that we came up with. And for this show's winner is Skylar Fremer. There she is, Skylar Fremer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice truck.
All right, we are done. So if you bid on something, come up and check on that, and we'll get that straightened away, and we're good to go. Thanks again.